2500 boasts a regular unleaded V8 5.7 liters/345 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 18x8 polished forged aluminum, STD, transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD, trailer brake control. This Ram 2500 features the following options: quick order package 2060 Outdoorsman Incorporated, engine, 5.7 liters HEMI VVT V8, transmission, 6-speed automatic, body color grille, accent fender flares, tow hooks, Outdoorsman badging, painted front bumper, painted rear bumper, Outdoorsman group, delete wheel spats, tires, LT 275/70R18 EOWL on/off-road, STD, monotone paint W/Outdoorsman Incorporated, headlamp filler panels and door handles are black when ordering special paint, P12, P71, P61, P81, P18, P73, P06, P64, PGC, PB8, P74, P72, P62, P69, PL1, P68, PGW, P63, monotone Outdoorsman Incorporated, body color fender flares, bright front and rear bumpers, GVWR, 4082 kgs, 9,000 pounds, STD, engine, 5.7 liters HEMI VVT V8, STD, diesel gray/black, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, red white, 4.10 rear axle ratio, STD, wheels, 18x8 polished forged aluminum. Expert reviews. As reported by the manufacturer summary, if you want a heavy-duty truck engineer to give you the power you need and deliver it in a gorgeous package, look no further than the Ram 2500. With its signature rounded curves and huge front grille, this truck is instantly recognizable and respected wherever it goes. The Ram 2500 is sold in 3 sizes, regular cab, mega cab, and crew cab, and has a wide range of trims to choose from. The regular cab offers 3 options: the base level tradesman, the bighorn and the SLT. The mega cab has 4 trims, with the SLT being the lowest. Finally, the crew cab offers a stunning 7 trims to pick from, with the tradesman being the lowest. All Ram 2500 trucks come standard with an impressive 5.7 liters HEMI V8 engine with 383 horsepower and 400 pounds-to-foot of torque, and an automatic 6-speed transmission. It is also available in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive versions on most models except the following crew cab trims: Tradesman Power Wagon, Outdoorsman, Power Wagon, and Laramie Power Wagon, where 4WD is the only option. The interior environment has a polished feel even on the base trims. The regular cab can seat 3 on a bench, and the 4-door versions can either seat 5 when there are 2 bucket seats up front, or 6 people on 2 rows. The Mega and Crew cabs add a Uconnect communication system, media hub, and all models include the Vehicle Information Center. Ram has an impressive list of optional features that are available based on what model you want, such as a 6.4 liters HEMI V8 engine, a 6.7 liters V6 turbo diesel engine, the Ram Box cargo management system, a navigation system, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, upgraded sound systems, and premium cloth or leather seating. For safety, all models come standard with anti-lock brakes, stability control, and 6 airbags. Visit us today. Live a little. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia, V9T3L3, to make this car yours today.